I'm Cassidy, and today we're going to be demonstrating what our new process called Top Drop would look like. Top Drop is an opportunity for students to come and move their stuff in early and then go back home before they return to WKU, whether that be for H4, master plan, or sorority recruitment. My Top Drop move-in time is 11 a.m., so I'm here to move all my stuff in. 11 a.m. is when I'll get access to move into the building. It's 11 a.m. on the dot, so let's get started. Alright, now that it's my Top Drop time, I now have access to the building with my WKU ID card. You can only choose Top Drop Move-In if you have your card with you, because this is how you get into the building. If you don't have your card, you won't have access to the building. Alright, let's go get our key. Once you're inside, you may not see many people around, but our staff will be in their office or apartments if you need them. We'll also have their numbers posted if you have any questions or concerns. I'm going to grab my key here on the desk, and then we're going to grab a moving box and go get our stuff. Now please keep in mind that our moving boxes are cardboard, so we're not able to disinfect them, so use them at your discretion. And feel free to bring dollies, totes to help you move in. Alright, let's go get our stuff. Alright, now that we're here, I'm going to unlock my door and start unloading. Alright, I'm going to put all my stuff on my side of the room, get all my stuff unloaded. When you're in your room, you can have your mask off, but keep in mind you might see students in the hallway. We have our time slots spaced out so that to keep everyone spaced out as possible, but you might run into someone, so if you're in the hallway or in common spaces, make sure to have your mask on. Once we get all of our stuff loaded on one side, we're going to leave everything packed up. You can decorate once you get back for the fall, and then we're going to lock our door. Alright, once you're done moving all of your things in, make sure to lock your door behind you. Also make sure to put your key on your key ring because you'll need it when you come back in the fall. And make sure to check your email to see when you can move back in during August. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Housing and Residence Life.